Hi, this is Derek Ham again from Rupel Ranch and Land, and I'm here today in Fayette County, really close to Fayetteville. Beautiful property, 13 acres. It's got at least a 1 acre pond on it that I'm going to show you in a second. The house behind me, it's got a ton of storage, 3-2. The sellers have literally redone, I'd say, anything of significance. The countertops, the bathroom, the plumbing, the roof, just about anything you can think of in the house has been redone. And then there's also, I want to call it a barn dominium, but it's really just a giant garage. It's got a ton of space in it, concrete slab, really neat place to work or set up whatever you're going to do, whether it's working on cars, your own man cave, whatever. Another storage area besides that. Would love for you to come and see it. Love to show it to you. But right now, let's go take a look at the pond. It's impressive. It's probably the crown jewel of this property. Let's take a look. So here's the pond I was talking about. There's woods behind this that's also part of the property. The deer come in and just hang out over here. It's really nice. I'm gonna have some game pictures for you of some of the deer. The sellers told me last time that there was a drought. It did not go dry, but it's set up really well. And like I said, it's stocked, it's got a lot of fish in it. Looks like it'd have some crocodiles. I don't think so. Hope you can come take a look at it. I don't know, let's go take a look at the chicken coop. I think we need to see that. I call it a chicken coop, but it's a tough shed. It's a chicken house, okay? Because it's got probably better AC than in my camper on my property. It's got an automatic door in the back that opens automatically and closes at certain times of the day. Your chickens are gonna be happy here. If you don't have them, you're gonna get some just to put them in this thing. It's kind of indicative, I think, of this whole property. Things are done right here. And I'd also talk about this area. It's a beautiful area. It's so close to Houston. I mean, it takes me an hour and 15 minutes from, the Memorial area to get over here. So if you're looking for a place just out of Houston, especially, I would seriously consider coming and taking a look at this. So thank you very much, and hope to see you out here. I guess that's it for now.